Speak English confidently. Beginners Lesson 7, English Pronouns and How to Use Them. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English lesson. Today, we are going to learn about pronouns in English, what they are, how to use them, and why they are important. Pronouns are small words, but they are used in almost every sentence. If you want to speak English correctly and fluently, you must understand pronouns. Let's begin. What are pronouns? A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun. Instead of saying, Sarah is my friend, Sarah is kind, Sarah likes dogs, we can say, Sarah is my friend, she is kind, she likes dogs. So, she is a pronoun that replaces Sarah. Here are more examples. This is John. He is a teacher. I have a dog. It is small. My parents are nice. They help me a lot. Pronouns make speaking and writing easier and more natural. Types of pronouns. Let's now look at the two most common types of pronouns for beginners. Subject pronouns and object pronouns. Subject pronouns. Subject pronouns do the action in a sentence. Here are the subject pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Let's see some examples. I am a student. You are my friend. He is a doctor. She is from Canada. It is a cat. We are happy. They are at the park. Now you try. I will say the sentence with the noun, and you say it again with the correct pronoun. Tom is tall. He is tall. Lisa is a nurse. She is a nurse. The cat is sleeping. It is sleeping. Well done. Object pronouns. Now let's look at object pronouns. These pronouns receive the action in a sentence. Here are the object pronouns. Me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Let's see them in action. He sees me. I like you. She helps him. We know her. They found it. You called us. I met them. Let's practice again. Change the sentence to use an object pronoun. I see Sarah. I see her. They like my brother. They like him. He found the keys. He found them. Nice job. Let's combine subject and object pronouns now. Here's an example. Anna is my friend. She helps me. My parents are nice. They love us. Now, let's try together. Tom is a good student. The teacher helps Tom. He is a good student. The teacher helps him. Sarah and I are hungry. Mom cooks for Sarah and me. We are hungry. Mom cooks for us. The books are on the table. I moved the books. They are on the table. I moved them. Let's check your understanding with a quick quiz. Choose the correct pronoun. This is Mark. Underscore is my friend. A, he, B, him. Correct. A, he. I know Maria. I really like underscore. A, she, B, her. Correct. B, her. This is my dog. Underscore is very playful. A, it, B, them. Correct. A, it. John and I are brothers. People like underscore. A, we. B, us. Correct. B, us. Where are your parents? I want to talk to underscore. A, they. B, them. Correct. B, them. Review. Today, we learned. What pronouns are subject pronouns? I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Object pronouns, me, you, him, her, it, us, them. How to use them correctly. In sentences practice, saying them out loud. Thank you for studying with me today. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next English lesson.